straight line graphs to determine the formula of a straight line. The general formula is y is mx plus c. Now the x and the y, they are the variables. X will be the input number and y will be the output number. M is the gradient or the slope of the line. And c is the y-intercept. Let's first find all the y-intercepts. The y-intercept of each line is exactly that point where the line intersects with the y-axis. The x-coordinate will always be 0. So let's check it out. X is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 4. That's the y-intercept for the pink line. For the purple line, x is 0, y is 3. For the red line, x is 0, y is 1. The blue, x is 0 and y is 0, so this line goes through the origin. So that was super easy. Now we just have to find the gradient, in other words the m value. Now the gradient is always the vertical change divided by the horizontal change. So we've got 2 points. We can start at any point, that does not matter, as long as we take the vertical change divided by the horizontal. If we move up, that's positive, and right, that's positive. So it's 2 units divided by 2 units, so the gradient is 1. Note the gradient is positive. We've got our formula. Y is 1x plus 0, but we don't have to write the 0 and we don't have to write the 1. So y is x, which means when x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 2. How cool is that? Let's look at the green line. We can see it's a positive gradient. First, let's get the y-intercept. We know the y-intercept is 0, 6. To get the gradient, choose 2 points. We need the vertical change divided by the horizontal change. So if we move up, it's positive, and right, it's positive. 4 divided by 2. Up and right. So the gradient is 2. Therefore, our formula is 2x plus 6. Y is 2x plus 6. The orange line, the y-intercept, we know that is 0, negative 3. So for the gradient, let's use 2 points. Those are the coordinates of the one point and the coordinates of the other points. To get the vertical change, we say 2 minus 4. And then we've got that length, and that is 6. Then we'll take negative 5 minus 1. That's negative 6. So we move down and we move right. So we can also say minus 6 positive, and our gradient will be negative 1. Note the gradient is down from the right. It's a negative gradient. So our formula is negative 1x, or just negative x minus 3. What about the purple line? 2 points. So we've got the y-intercept. The gradient is the vertical change divided by the horizontal change, and that is 1 divided by 2. So our formula is y is half x plus 3. We know this has got a negative gradient. We know the y-intercept is 4. So if we use 2 points, any 2 points, and we take the vertical change, we see it's down and right. Or we can say it's left and up. Whatever we say, one of the values will be negative. So negative 2 divided by 5, negative 2/5 x plus 4.